Every cake has a story, and it all begins with the right ingredients, the right tools, and knowing where to find them. Today, we're taking you to the three baking supply stores here in Cebu that we visit often. Hindi lang dahil malapit sila sa amin, but because over the years, these stores have quietly become part of our baking journey. Tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Our first stop is Caro Marie. Ito ang isa sa mga pinakaunang baking supply stores that we often visit. Aside from their Cherry Court branch, they also recently opened a new branch at APM Prime Mall, giving bakers another convenient location to visit. In this section of the store, you will see a wide selection of baking equipments, from ovens and mixers to other kitchen essentials. If you're a KitchenAid user, Caro Marie Cherry Court branch also accepts servicing inquiries, making it convenient for bakers who need support for their mixers. They also offer baking workshops from time to time, so if you're looking to learn new techniques, it's worth checking their class schedule. Whether you're making celebration cakes or minimalist designs, they have coated cake drums, wooden cake boards, and lightweight cake boards to choose from. For those who love elegant cake designs, they also carry edible gold leaf. Marami din silang baking cups in different colors and sizes, perfect for cupcakes and muffins. One ingredient we always look for is the Calabo chocolate. It's one of our favorite brands because of its quality and consistent results in our baked products. This is the cocoa powder we normally use. During our visit, it was priced at around 985 pesos per kilo, but this may change over time. And that's our quick visit to Caro Marie. Now let's head to our next stop, Madilou's Marketing. It is conveniently located near Star Mall. They also have branches in Gizo and Subang-Dapo, Mandaue, making them accessible from different parts of Cebu. One of the reasons we visit Madilou's is because they carry Sugar King products. We've been using this brand for our fondant, gum paste, food coloring, and even powdered sugar for our French macarons. Their shelves are also packed with baking essentials, from ingredients to decorating supplies. They also carry the same cocoa powder we use and was priced at around 800 pesos per kilo during our visit. If you've been seeing the white chocolate everywhere, you will probably recognize this pistachio paste and kataifi. And that's it for our visit to Madilou's. On to our final stop. Our last stop is Ong Kin King. They have several branches around Cebu, making them another convenient option for bakers. One thing you will notice right away is that they have a wider selection of kitchen equipment on display, not just for baking but for cooking and dining as well. If you're looking for bowls, utensils, serving pieces, or baking tools, you will definitely enjoy browsing this section. Of course, no baking trip is complete without checking out the flour and sugar aisle. The cocoa powder we used was also available here, priced at around 980 pesos per kilo during our visit. Whipping cream is another item we never forget to check because it's always part of our shopping list. Aside from baking supplies, they also have dining essentials and cake decorating tools, making this a one-stop shop for many home bakers. After picking up a few more supplies, it was time to check out. Those are the 3 baking supply stores we personally keep coming back to. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us here at Bisayang Gors as we continue sharing and living moments worth remembering. Until our next adventure, bye!